I am so happy it's spring again. I will grow potatoes this year too. I will grow them in pots as I always did. In this video, I will present the way I do this every year. Let's start now. First, you need some potatoes. You can buy potatoes for seeds, or you can just buy potatoes from your grocery store. When they get old, the potatoes grow the so-called eyes. There are little spots on them where they come out the new plants. You can wait for those little eyes to come out in time, or you can cheat. How can this be made? You just wrap the potatoes in paper and put them in a dark place inside of your house. In this way, the eyes will come out faster. Since your potatoes have eyes now, you can put them in the ground. You can leave them as they are, or you can cut them in two if you wish. Just take care to cut them in such a way every part has its own eyes. I grow potatoes in pots, and I will show you later in this video why. You need a big pot to do this. Normally at least 10 liters of volume. You can use whatever kind of soil. The potatoes are not very sensitive. Anyhow, try to be as ecological as possible. You can gather compost from a forest or buy an organic sack of soil from your store. After 1 month of waiting, your plants will be 10 centimeters high. Every potato you put in the bucket will grow a new plant. Sometimes they may not grow. This is why you need to put 3 potatoes in every pot. In this way, you will be sure you are not waiting in vain. Since you have those plants, you can put the pots in a sunny place of your garden. That's a big advantage. If you live a place where the climate is cold, you can move the pots after the sun. Because in the places where you have sun in the morning, it will come the shadow in the evening. Potatoes are heavy feeders. If it is not raining, I use 1 liter of water per pot every day. The best time of day is to wet your plants in the evening after sunset. Otherwise, you can do this in the morning as well. Potatoes are cold-resistant plants. This is why you can start them early. I normally start them at the beginning of March. After 5 weeks, you can give them nutrients. If you want your harvest to be ecological, try to use organic nutrients. You can use ashes, eggshells as well. Just watch out. The level of the soil in your pots is getting low in time. This is why you need to refill with compost the pots regularly. A good option is to use tree bark. This will act as a nutrient too. After 7 weeks, the plants are higher enough. Now there are small potatoes in the ground. We don't want to disturb the plants yet. But when you will see the first flowers in your plants, you may be sure there is some harvest to gather there. After 60 days, you can check the pots. If you look inside, you will see your new potatoes. There are different kinds of potatoes. Usually they can be harvested from day 70 until day 90. Anyhow, I gathered those potatoes from my pot. They are on the way to become a good meal now. Good appetite.